In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion to manage your life with style. 5 minutes. First, log into Notion on the web or desktop app so everything stays synced. Once you're in, the goal is to create a personalized dashboard that feels like home base. Open an existing page or create a new one to start. This will be your command center for tasks, notes, and plans. Make it yours visually. Click the page icon, then open the Icons tab. Pick an icon that fits the vibe of the page and adjust the color so it complements your database or theme. Small visual cues like this make sections easier to scan. Next, add a cover. Click Add Cover, then Change Cover, and choose from Notion's gallery or upload your own. A cohesive cover and icon combo instantly elevates the page and keeps you motivated to use it daily. Bring the dashboard to life with widgets. You can search online for Notion-friendly widgets. Think clocks, weather, quotes, or timers, and embed them by pasting the link into your page. If you like quick actions, look for button-style widgets that let you jump to pages or trigger workflows. Keep widgets purposeful and minimal to maintain a clean aesthetic. Now customize your databases. Tweak properties like tags, status, due dates, and priorities so they reflect how you work. You can also create multiple columns to organize layouts and highlight what matters most at a glance. Continue exploring Notion features, views like board, calendar, and gallery, plus filters and sorts, to build an aesthetic dashboard that's as functional as it is beautiful. Use databases to track everything: tasks, habits, projects, content, finances, whatever keeps your life moving. Integrate time with planning by using Notion Calendar. Connect your calendar so events appear in one place. Create events by dragging time slots, then attach meeting notes, project pages, or relevant databases directly to each event. Treat deep work, content creation, or personal goals like appointments by scheduling them explicitly. This turns intentions into commitments. Finally, put AI to work. Use AI to brainstorm goals and generate actionable steps, then refine the plan in your database. During meetings or research, have AI draft agendas, summarize notes, and extract action items so you can focus on thinking, not formatting. By the end, you'll have a stylish Notion setup that handles planning, tracking, scheduling, and thinking all in one place. Log in, make it yours, build a smart database foundation, connect your calendar, and let AI help you move faster.